We're gonna have to push in a second. I hear him underneath. He's probably gonna run out.
I'm reloading. Oh, nice Claymore.
There he is.
In the street. Oh. Is he dead?
Nope, he's still down there.
Oh shit, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Fucking hate this game, dude. No, I fell off and it won't let me deploy my fucking shoot. I'm got.
So let's go.
This nigga Justin got me, appreciate it. This game.
Nope.
No, I had 8. Now I got 5 thanks to this fucking. Hell yeah.
I can go first with the shield.
Alright. Alright, just come on. Fuck him, bro. I got 5.
Someone, wait, get back. There's a sniper in the tower. 2 snipers. 3 snipers.
Damn. Yeah, we ain't getting that shit.
They gotta come this way eventually. Let's just make sure we catch them when they're dropping down. We got a good spot. And people are gonna be trying to go for this loadout, so as long as we keep eyes on it.
Okay, I see you. Should I get this bounty to see if someone's near us?
Alright, watch this area. Careful, they can snipe you there. Cream, they can snipe you right there.
That's them.
Same. What do you think it's saying? You can go switch. There is a loadout right there that they can't hit.
Oh, they can't get the loadout?
They can't. They were in the tower. They're still in the tower.
Oh, it's right there. Okay, I'm going. Cover me.
Oh yeah, they're probably just camping that shit, trying to take advantage. Watch your backs right here, Cream.
I'm coming back.
Chris, yeah, watch your back too, just in case.
Thank you. Appreciate that. I heard somebody running. Oh, that's fish. He's close. Yep. Finished him. Team wipe.
They're on the other side of the loadout.
You got a gas mask?
Other side of the loadout.
Gas mask? Okay.
Orange marker.
I'm coming.
Obviously, there's a bounty there. You gotta figure that out.
That fire sounds trippy in here, bro. That's cool.
I got a wall.
I'm watching our left, Justin a little bit. I'm peeking.
Yeah, I'll stay still.
I'm trying to stand behind you. Nah, you good.
I'm gonna get to the Cream and put my back to that wall.
All right, I'll cover you. Oh shit! I think top of airport.
Yeah. We are in the center, bro.
Can you cover me?
He's covering you. Yeah.
Oh no, there's a sniper in behind y'all too. Hold up. Cracked him. I'm coming. Yeah, upstairs.
Nope. Don't do that. You can't throw it that hard.
Yeah, it's a team on green.
We're in the dead center. Just
yeah.
Someone stay behind me.
There.
Someone stay behind me so y'all can stay alive. Just one of you guys.
Yeah, I'm in here. Somebody stand behind Justin. My front back fishy.
He's still up there? Yep. There you go. Good shit.
There's someone still on green.
Left.
My front back fish. I got green. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Watch that left side. Careful of that. I have a feeling he might catch up for a flank.
Damn it, he's in here with us.
Don't. Alright, never mind.
Come on, load. Fuck. Don't. Nice. What are you doing, Justin? Chris, get with Justin, Chris. Get with Justin.
Please.
He's got a riot shield.
They're coming from this side.
That means they died. Watch the back, Chris. Yeah. Y'all just talk.
Still, you don't want to fuck that up.
Played up, Justin. Or too late.
Nah.
I hear him. Yeah.
Play smarter, not harder.
Good work, team.
Yeah, good shit.
We didn't even need the trophy system. I got more wins today than I have my entire Warzone career.
Got these nigga lips. Yeah.